Ever wondered how professional cleaners maintain pristine conditions in office spaces? Well, today, we delve into the world of professional cleaning, breaking down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First off, the cleaning routine begins with dusting. Dusting surfaces and light fittings is not just about maintaining appearances, it's also about ensuring a healthy workspace. Using a microfiber cloth or a feather duster, professionals sweep over every surface, nook and cranny, ensuring they are free of dust and other particles. As we move on to the second step, remember that cleaning is not just about the visible surfaces, it's also about those hidden corners. That's why professionals always make sure to vacuum or mop under the desks, behind the cabinets, and other hard-to-reach areas. All spaces are vacuumed and mopped, including reception areas, meeting rooms, and communal areas. Now we journey into the third step, sanitizing. In a world where health and hygiene are paramount, sanitizing surfaces is a critical part of office cleaning. Professionals use high-quality sanitizers to wipe down frequently touched surfaces such as chairs, desks, phones, keyboards, light switches, door handles, and door frames. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning news and tips. Our fourth step is about maintaining clean windows. Sparkling windows not only give a great first impression, but also allow in natural light, uplifting the mood of the office. Professionals clean internal windows using a squeegee or microfiber cloth and a window cleaning solution, ensuring a streak-free finish. In the fifth step, professional cleaners will deep clean the kitchen, which includes sanitizing all food preparation areas, all appliances, the inside of the fridge, and washing any cutlery and dinnerware. The sixth step involves deep cleaning the restrooms. Restrooms often require the most attention in any office cleaning routine. Professionals ensure that every restroom is scrubbed, sanitized, and restocked with necessary items like toilet paper and hand soap. Lastly, taking out the trash is the final step in the cleaning routine. Emptying trash bins and replacing liners ensures a fresh start for the next day. In summary, professional office cleaning involves 7 key steps. It begins with dusting, followed by vacuuming or mopping. Next, sanitizing all surfaces, workstations, and appliances is a crucial step, followed by window cleaning. The fifth step involves kitchen deep cleaning, followed by restroom deep cleaning, which is the sixth step. And finally, taking out the trash wraps up the routine. Remember, a clean workspace is not just about appearances, it's about creating a healthy, productive environment for everyone. So next time you walk into a spotlessly clean office, know that a lot of meticulous work has gone into making it that way. This wraps up our journey into the world of professional office cleaning. We hope this insight into the cleaning routine proves useful in maintaining a clean, healthy workspace. Keep these steps in mind and you're on your way to creating a cleaner, brighter office environment.
If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, or let us know what you thought by commenting below.